one area that can result in increased risks for the project, which we know is not just impacting these types of projects, but construction as a whole, is labor shortages. These larger scale projects, they could have thousands of trade workers on site at any given time. So contractors should really try and understand the skilled labor capacity for the area they're working in. Are there enough workers in the region to support the job demands? And more importantly, what's the skill level of those workers? Do they have experience with facilities like clean rooms or the installation of specialized equipment? The lack of skilled and specialized labor for these projects can ultimately present the risk of ongoing and completed operations losses from shoddy installation and construction defects. If a product fails because a clean room can't maintain required levels of cleanliness, the contractor could be at risk. Or let's say a bad foundation delays a project for a multi-billion-dollar facility. That can result in significant damages and costs for the contractor. Project delays from not only workforce issues, but supply chain disruption can also be a risk for the contractor. Equipment and material shipments for these facilities may be coming from overseas, and if they don't arrive in time, that can cause delays in installation. And in turn, we see that having a trickle-down effect on project timelines and budgets.